Hello, today I'm gonna be tasting Sunkist grape. I'll explain to you what it tastes like and everything. Got 170 calories. That's what the can looks like there. It's got picture of grapes on it, all that. That's the colour. It's purple. You can't really see how purple it is, but it's purple there. It's like a dark purple. Tastes like Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba grape. That's what it tastes like. Tastes amazing. There's the can there. Soft drinks are better when they only got one flavour with them. Some of them are alright with multiple flavours, but a lot of soft drinks, they put in too much flavour into one drink and there's no distinct taste. It just tastes like a whole lot of sweet. But one flavour like grape like this, it's amazing. Thanks very much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you see this in the shop, I would give it a try. It tastes like Hubba Bubba chewing gum. That's what it tastes like. Lovely. Thanks very much for watching.